Good evening, everyone. Excellencies and head of the Cricket Councils, Mr. Bhatia, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor and a privilege for me to grace this wonderful occasion. My first visit to UAE was way back in 2000, almost 16 years ago, as a young kid playing in Sharjah. Fond memories. I've visited Dubai ever since, played cricket. I've seen the progress of UAE cricket, and there's a lot of credit should go to the Emirates Cricket Council and its associates, who's worked really hard. If you see the performance of the national team in the last Asia Cup, it shows that there's a lot of promise, there's a lot of talent, and the structure which is put in underneath that with the Junior Cricket Development Program, I'm sure that there'll be much more talented cricketers will come through, and that UAE cricket will flourish. Sri Lanka made their test debut in 1982, not so long ago. In a very short span, we won our first World Cup in 1996. That is due to a lot of dedication and hard work with players as well as administration. And that's something that that needs to be taken seriously. The development programs are very crucial for any country to progress going forward. Walked into the museum for a little bit and saw a lot of the legends who have graced this beautiful game over the years, and must appreciate the work Mr. Bhatia and his team has done to have all these memorabilia to remember, especially for the younger generation, to go in and have a look at all the people who have played the game, and one day that they might have that same opportunity to grace the same fields, play at Lords, play at MCG, Newlands, SSC in Colombo, Eden Gardens in Calcutta. They're fantastic venues for all these young cricketers to grow up and go and play their cricket. It's a beautiful game, has taught us a lot of lessons in life, but something that you will always remember is to enjoy it and keep your focus, keep your discipline, and work hard at it. I thank you once again for giving me the opportunity to visit UAE and be part of the cricket family. I wish UAE cricket all the very best and have many more victories in the future. Thank you.